Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's June 1st, 2020, about 6:49 in the evening. Take a look at this substance, this mess that we're supposed to believe are clouds. Look at that, guys. Where's the moisture there? I mean, and the sun is right behind this cow turd. This is hideous, guys. We're in, what do you call it? You're supposed to stay in, I can't remember. Curfew. It was 5 o'clock today. Not doing that. Stupid. Maybe they're doing that because they don't want us to see this. Look at that. Postcard time. California postcards. Here they are. Here's the photos. Oh, yeah. Very natural. This is creepy, guys. This is just plain creepy. All of it. All right. I'm out. Wow. Every day is like being in a freaking haunted house. And the ghosts are jumping out left and right. And there's a new one every minute. All right, I'm gone. Take care.